Have you ever clicked on a link only to be redirected to the App Store instead of your app? It's frustrating, right? If you're facing this issue with Firebase Dynamic Links, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to troubleshoot why your dynamic link is always sending you to the App Store, even when the app is installed. I completely understand how annoying it is when you expect to open your app, but instead, you find yourself staring at the App Store. You're definitely not alone in this. Many developers have encountered this issue while integrating Firebase Dynamic Links. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, "Why does my Firebase Dynamic Link always redirect to the App Store, even when the app is installed?" This is a common concern, and it's crucial to understand the underlying reasons. So let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this issue? There are a few potential reasons, such as incorrect link configuration, missing app association files, or even issues with the app's installation. We'll break down these possibilities step by step. And stick around. I have a valuable tip at the end that can help you ensure your dynamic links work flawlessly in the future. To address the issue of Firebase Dynamic Links redirecting to the App Store, the user should first ensure that the dynamic link is correctly configured in the Firebase console. Next, the user needs to verify that the app is properly set up to handle the dynamic link. This involves checking the app's info.plist file for the correct URL scheme. After that, the user should implement the necessary code in the app delegate to handle incoming dynamic links. This is crucial for ensuring the app opens correctly. Finally, the user should test the dynamic link to confirm that it opens the app instead of redirecting to the App Store. This can be done using a test link. Fun fact, did you know that dynamic links can also be used to create personalized user experiences? They can lead users to specific content within your app, making them super powerful. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user found a solution by adjusting settings in the Firebase console. They enabled both universal links and a custom scheme, which resolved the issue of being redirected to the App Store, even when the app was installed. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. One user found a solution after a day of troubleshooting. They discovered that if your app is live, you need to set the app ID and team ID in Firebase app settings. The issue arises when the app isn't live and a different app ID is used. To fix this, they suggest adding a specific line of code to your setup. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. One alternative solution is to set up your Firebase Dynamic Link as a universal link in your app settings. This user found that adding an =1 to the dynamic link allowed them to skip the preview page and redirect directly to their app or the App Store. They explained that the preview page worked because it redirected to their universal link, but skipping it led to issues since the dynamic link used a different domain. Proper setup is crucial to ensure the link opens the app instead of the App Store. Let's move forward and look at another answer. One user faced the same issue with Firebase Dynamic Links. As an alternative solution, they suggest removing the href attribute from the anchor tag. Instead, they use a one-click event to redirect to the dynamic link. Here's that valuable tip I promised. Always test your dynamic links on multiple devices and scenarios. This will help you catch any issues before your users do. And there you have it. With these steps, your Firebase Dynamic Links should work perfectly, directing users to your app instead of the App Store. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips, and don't forget to check out our next video for more insights.